The last time I was in Colorado, no one had even heard of COVID, and dual sport motorcycles were my thing. But this trip, however, much to my wife's happiness, I'm in my truck and loving the views as we head west out of Loveland and into the Rocky Mountains. Stick around, it's going to be a beautiful drive up and over 12,000 feet. Four days earlier, three friends and I left Minnesota and took the long way to Overland Expo Mountain West in Loveland, Colorado. We had great weather running through the Badlands and Black Hills of South Dakota, but had a damp and drizzly day through Wyoming and down into Colorado. Our day at the expo was gorgeous, and we all found some cool stuff to buy and bring home, or even mount right away to our trucks. Today, and for the rest of our trip, it's all about playing in the Rocky Mountains. Many of the lesser traveled routes I had planned had closures due to fire, recent rain washouts, and even some power line work, so we decided to enjoy the views from the pavement and wind our way up towards Estes Park. Our destination this morning was the Alpine Visitors Center west of Estes Park. It sits at over 12,000 feet elevation, and the Old Fall River Road was our route to get there. Have your camera handy, as this gravel road is a hobby photographer's dream, and Chatham Falls is a definite must-stop along the way. This one-way road twists and turns as it climbs skyward, and at times becomes a heart-stopping shelf road. You need to definitely pay attention, but it's pretty hard since there are breathtaking views around every corner and through every opening in the trees. When you get to the Alpine Visitors Center, you're treated to a view that is just simply amazing. Despite the butt-puckering drive and the crowds you may find at the top, it's all worth it. Even though the scenery was epic, it was time to continue on and make our way downward towards Grand Lake. One thing we didn't do was overschedule ourselves, and we purposely planned on playing a lot of the day by ear. We didn't have any specific place to be once we were done at Grand Lake, so we just started noodling our way towards the town of Granby and points beyond. One of those points beyond was a wonderful dirt stretch through Cottonwood Pass. When mid-afternoon arrived, we began to think about where to camp. A quick look at Gaia revealed a promising spot that wasn't too far west of Sulphur Hot Springs. We set our sights on a campsite along a lake, but first we had to roll through this beautiful surprise, Byers Canyon. Carved by the Colorado River, this small canyon offered some amazing views. We could just imagine an old train chugging and smoking its way alongside the churning water. It was about dinner time when we found our campsite along the Williams Fork Reservoir. We set up camp, enjoyed a nice meal of mac and shredded barbecue, and watched the sun set over the mountain range. Tomorrow is going to be another great day of exploring the Rockies with no plans at all. However, you'll have to wait for that video, so be sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this one, please give it a like. I appreciate you watching, and until the next one, travel safe, and I'll see you down the road.